Turning now to the weather, we're giving you a live look from our view cam in uptown Charlotte. Beautiful day out there.
Yeah, not looking too bad as we see the new Duke Energy about to top off there on the left-hand side of the center. Chris Bouquet joined us now with a look at the forecast. Today's nice. Then after today, you can't make any promises.
No, especially going from about 70 degrees down to the 50s and even 49 degrees for a high on Thursday, not to spoil it. And we have some rain that's popping up here on the radar. A lot of this is not hitting the ground, so I think especially north of Interstate 40, you might have a chance for a few sprinkles. But all in all, this is going to be the day. A mix of cloud and sunshine. Let's call it a partly sunny day. Looking across our Mr. Sparky Carolina Camera Network, all is well. Still going to see some solid chunks of blue sky here and there through the afternoon. So a little bit cooler than what we had yesterday. Highs in the mid to the upper 60s across the greater Charlotte area, challenging the lower 70s further south and southeast you go as you see that beautiful orange color as many of our leaves are starting to change. And look at that temperature in Boone, only 49 degrees. The lack of sunshine is going to put a cap on your warm up in the upper 40s. But today, since it is the warmest and one of the better ones, today is the pick of the week. So enjoy that high of 67 degrees before we start to cool on down. Look at that. The bottom just drops out. Boom. That is what happens when you don't have any sunshine and a chance for rain this time of year. Down to 49 degrees. Then we slowly start to march back up as we head through the weekend into next week. So here is the current setup. Cooler air starting to sink in, especially around this high pressure system. That's why Thursday is going to be the coolest, on top of the fact that they're not going to have any sunshine to try to warm us up back through the 50s. And you can see our rain chances very spotty for tomorrow, scattered on Thursday, but this rain chance is really kind of pitiful. Here's what happens. You have a little chance for rain right here, but watch what happens. We have that one system down to the south. As it starts to move through, you're seeing a little rain. Here's 2 a.m. on Thursday. Once you get about to the middle of the afternoon, that's where you see rain starting to drape across the area, but then poof, it's gone. There's a chance that many of us won't even see any rain, or it's going to be very minimal, only a few hundredths of an inch, and that chance for a rain snow mix still possible further west you go in North Carolina up in the mountains. Past that, we are looking at clearing skies. I think you see more cloud cover on Saturday. A lot of rain right along the shoreline, especially if you're going to the Outer Banks. That's that one system that was trending a little bit closer to us. If it was directly over Charleston, say we would have more widespread rain for your Thursday and Friday, but that is not the case. But heading into the weekend, during the day, it's great, but these numbers are a little scary for us. 36 degrees Friday night to Saturday morning. Sunday morning, 34 degrees. So there's a good chance that you're going to have some frost advisories, a frosty start. Since we're still technically in the growing season, the growing season ends around Charlotte November 11th. You will either have a freeze warning or a frost advisory either day during the weekend. So yes, our lows are definitely going to be on the chilly side. We have back-to-back days dropping down into the 30s. And also don't forget, this coming weekend, we are falling back at the end of daylight saving time. But now it's the beginning of our Tuesday Tail Wagger.